about functions part 5. Discuss about some definitions. Identity function. Listen, let A be the non-empty set. Then the function f of A to A, domain A, codomain A, f of A to A, defined by f of x equals to x, for all x belongs to A is called a identity function on A. It is denoted by IA. Once again, let A be the non-empty set, then the function f of A to A defined by f of x equals to x for all x belongs to A is called a identity function on A. It is denoted by IA. Give an example. If A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, so identity function A to A, relation between A and A 1, 2, 3, B 1, 2, 3, image of 1 under F 1, image of 2 under F 2, image of 3 under F 3, f of 1 equals to 1, f of 2 equals to 2, f of 3 equals to 3. It is called a identity function. Okay. Solve some example problems. Example number 1. If R minus set of 0 to R is defined by f of x equals to x plus 1 by x, then prove that f of x whole square equals to f of x square plus f of 1. f of x whole square equal to f of x square plus f of 1. Most important problem. So solve this one. Given by f of x equals to x plus 1 by x, find the value of RHS. f of x square plus f of 1 RHS. f of x square, what is the f of x? X plus 1 by x. Substitute the value of x equals to x square plus 1 by x square plus f of 1. Substitute the value of x equals to 1 and given condition 1 plus 1 by 1. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by 1 means 2. So x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. It is right as 2 into x into 1 by x. X get cancelled, 2. Okay. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A square x square. B square 1 by x square plus 2ab 2x into 1 by x. Here x plus 1 by x is f of x whole square. It is LHS, hence proved. Therefore hence proved f of x whole square equals to f of x square plus f of 1. Right. Next one. Second example, if A equals to set of 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and f of A to be surjection defined by f of x equals to cos x. Find b. Surjection means range are equals to codomain. Range are equals to codomain. Here domain, codomain. Range means set of all images of A is called a range. So given by f of A to B is a surjection. Surjection implies f of A equals to B. Range are equals to codomain. Therefore, and f of x equals to cos x. F of x equals to cos x. F of b equals to f of A. A means 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So that means set of f of A. F of first one 0, comma f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, okay, f of pi by 3, f of pi by 2. So f of 0, cos pi by 6, cos pi by 4, cos pi by 3, cos pi by 2, cos 0 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, cos pi by 4 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. Is B. Therefore B equals to set of 1 comma 3 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 comma 0. Most important problem. Okay na? Equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x for all x belongs to R. Then show that f of 2012 equals to 1. F of x equals to cos square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x plus cos power 4x. Cos square x it is write as 1 minus sin square x plus sin power 4x by sin square x it is write as 1 minus cos square x plus cos power 4x. Okay, right. 1 take the common, sin square x common, and sin square x means 1 plus minus, so take the common, minus, plus into minus, minus, so minus into minus plus. Okay, sin square common means sin square x by 1 minus take the common cos square x of 1 minus cos square x, 1 minus sin square x into 1 minus sin square cos square x by 1 minus cos square x into 1 minus cos square sin square x. Numerator and denominator is same, that value equals to 1. Therefore f of x equals to 1 means f of 2012. Substitute the value of x equal to 2012. Here constant variable x is not there, so that value equals to 1. F of 2012 equals to 1. Right? Exercise problem. First one, f is defined by f of x, x plus 2, x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 is less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1, x minus 1, minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. So given by f of x equals to set of x plus 2, x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Right, find the value of f of 3. So x equals to 3. X equals to 3. In which condition? 3 means greater than 1. X is greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4. So x is equal to 3 is greater than 1. Then implies f of x equals to given condition x plus 2. Substitute the value of x equals to 3. F of 3, 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Okay. F of 0, 0 lies in minus 1 plus 1, lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So that value equals to, so second condition 2, f of 0 equals to 2. Okay, second condition minus 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 1. Right. F of 2. So f of 2 means x equals to 2. In which condition? First condition is greater than 1. This implies f of x equals to x plus 2. Substitute the value of 2. F of 2, 2 plus 2 equals to 4. F of minus 2. This implies x equals to minus 2 lies between below minus 1, below minus 1. So condition is minus 3 is less than x less than minus 1. This implies f of x equals to x minus 1. Substitute the value of x equals to minus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Therefore, f of 2 plus f of minus 2, f of 2 equals to 4, f of minus 2 is minus 3, that is equals to 1. Okay.